Okay, maybe I may touch on les accents.
Okay.
Or the accents.
Pas de problème.
That sometimes an accent changes the meaning, not the sound, e.g. à Paris. So I would like to underline the importance of accents. We should always know that accents are just like any other letter in the French alphabet. And therefore, there is no format of learning how to place accents. But whenever you encounter a word or a name or a noun that has an accent, always consider that accent as part and parcel of the spelling of that particular word. So you learn the whole word without omitting the accent because it's part of it. Because as we have seen that some of them will change the meaning, not the sound. Others will change the sound. So that is actually basically what you should always remember. Like when you say à Paris, already we have made the verb avoir, and you know that there is a with an accent, that is for the verb avoir, and a with an accent, that simply means it is a preposition. So I know by now you must have learned, you must have seen these accent quite often. Now when you go to like où est le lapin, where, please note the accent that you use there. And when we don't have the accent, like tu préfères les chiens ou les chats, the sound remains the same, but the meaning will change. So it is very dangerous to omit or even to forget an accent because it might change the meaning. Okay, or mostly a circumflex accent can be found on any vowel. For example, at, we have il, hospital, ut. So we are trying to underline the importance of accents. Look, and I think probably maybe in our next lesson, we might have maybe a few minutes and try to summarize all the 5 accents that we have so that we can get a clear picture. So look at the English translation. Often a circumflex accent in the French corresponds to a letter in the English word. So which letter? Use these to work out the English for la forêt and la côte. So la forêt is the forest and la côte is the coast. As a deer under sea or cedi, accent cedi, make the C soft like S. For example, garçon. So whenever you see that accent hanging below letter C, you know, actually it is modifying letter C to have the sound of double S. So we pronounce it like garçon. You have also met that is tréma, that is 2 double dots on letter E and I. So the 2 dots, tréma, indicate that you should sound each vowel separately. For example, we say Noël, Noël for Christmas, and I, that is actually an exclamation kind of pronunciation. So I think we are going to have a look at these accents during our next lesson so that we understand them better. Is that okay, les étudiantes?
Oui.
And I'm sure that some of these are not very new to you, but we shall have a lesson that we try to give examples and how they affect the pronunciation of meaning.